Hey everybody, it's Jeff from the Yawk, and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, right in front of the Park MGM, in front of Eataly. You guys know that I never make a trip to Las Vegas without stopping off at Eataly, if not just to window shop, to perhaps pick something up for the hotel room. So let's go check it out and see what they got, shall we? When I visit Vegas, I usually visit for about a week, and I usually fly in on a Sunday afternoon, and I spend most of that afternoon on Sunday just settling into my hotel room. Now, as many of you know if you follow the channel, one of the first things I do when I settle in Las Vegas is, well, I unpack, obviously, and then I take the empty suitcase and do a CVS or a Walgreens run, pick up necessities for the week, water, alcohol, some snacks maybe some stuff that I might have forgotten at home. I pick all that up, I fill up my empty suitcase and bring it back to the room, and I pretty well stock up for the week. One of the things I also like to do is to stop by Eataly for not necessities, but, well, I guess you could consider them necessities. There's wine, cheese, and crackers and things like that. Love to keep them in the room. Obviously in Las Vegas, a lot of the rooms have mini bars. You can't use them, so I do my little ice in the insulated bag hack. The insulated bag with ice usually keeps food cold for a day or two, and you just go down the hall and keep refilling the ice as needed. It acts like a makeshift refrigerator, and it's a great hack. And an insulated bag takes up no room whatsoever in your luggage. I love Italian pastry, including cannolis, and the thing about cannolis is you have to find a place just like this one that has the shells separately and they stuff it right in front of you. A lot of places have the cannolis already stuffed, and when they're sitting there for an hour or two, the shells get all soggy because they're, absorbing all that liquid from the ricotta inside. But if you buy it like this, that shell's going to be super crispy, and that inside will be nice and creamy.
Car c'est la fête du courage, c'est la fête des gens de cœur. Allons, en garde, allons, allons, toréador, en garde, toréador, toréador. Et songe bien, oui, songe combattant, que le noir te regarde, et que l'amour t'attend, toréador, l'amour.
How can you not love this place? This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Cricket Bustos, who found Clarice the Miss America crown in my latest Atlantic City video, the Harrah's slot pull, and a Bobby Flay burger. Congratulations, Cricket. Wine. The prices here at Eataly run from reasonable to very high, depending upon what you're looking for. And if you really want something badly enough, well, you're probably going to buy it anyway. And if you're looking for a quick, casual bite while you're walking on the Las Vegas Strip, lots of choices here inside Eataly just to grab a quick snack, a dinner or a lunch or whatever you're looking for. And the prices really aren't that bad. And here's a special tip for all my New Yorkers, just for watching this video. Anytime you're in Eataly, whether it's this one here on the Las Vegas Strip or one of the, I believe there's 3 now in New York City, or anywhere around the world, they're pretty much worldwide now, tell them that Jeff from New York sent you. If you go into any Eataly anywhere in the world and tell them that Jeff from New York sent you, arrangements have been made by me for the clerk behind the counter to give you something special. That something special is a funny look. Trust me, you have my guarantee.
Pardon et la clémence, ô mon Dieu, les ramènent vers toi. Mon Dieu, les ramène en séjour vers toi.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.